Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 7, comparing quantities, exercise 7.3, question number 3. The question is, a scooter was bought at rupees 42,000. Its value depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. Find its value after 1 year. So actually the starting price of a scooter was 42,000. Okay. So generally whenever we are purchasing any electronics items or any household items, after few years if we are reselling back the items, the rate of that particular item will get reduced. Okay, that is what they are saying. Its value has been depreciated, the value has been reduced, okay, at the rate of 8% per annum. Okay, so the value has been reduced. Okay, and then what is the price after 1 year they are asking. Okay, so again here also we can use the compound interest formula. So that is A is given by P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. But again one more thing we have to note down, since it is depreciation, right? Since it is depreciation, instead of plus we have to use the formula 1 minus. Okay, that is only the difference. Okay, so if the value has been keep on increasing, here the formula will have plus. If the value has been keep on decreasing, then we have to use the formula with 1 minus R by 100 the whole power n. So the starting price is what? 42,000. Okay, so P value, it is nothing but 42,000. Okay, 1 minus. Okay, so here P value is 42,000 and the rate of decrease is nothing but 8%. N value is given by after 1 year. After 1 year means N value is 1. Okay, so R value is 8 by 100 the whole power 1. Okay, so any value power 1 is the same value. For example, if I take 100 power 1, it is nothing but 100. Okay, so same value it is. So 42,000 into, so here the LCM is 100. So 100 into 1 is 100. Okay, so you have numerator as this. Anyway, power 1 means the same value. Okay, so nothing to repeat over there. So 42,000 into 100 minus 8 is what? 92. 92 by 100. So 0000 get cancelled. So we have 420 into 92. So 2 into 0, 0, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 0, 9 2s are 18, 1, 9 4s are 36, 37 you have. So 0, 4, 16, 1, 8, 3. Okay. So the answer is 38,640. Okay. So the scooter was bought at the starting price, it is 42,000. After 1 year, okay, the depreciation value of scooter, okay, depreciation value of scooter after 1 year, it is rupees 38,640. Okay, so thanks for watching.